She's a natural already.
Really?
I think. You're so like confident.
And then just
Oh my god!
Hey, not bad.
Not too much when you're throwing yourself off balance. Yeah. We'll be upwards. Yeah. Did it go in? No. No.
don't be discouraged because she has the hardest shot in like probably the world.
No. I put so much into that.
No,
and
she
it's
does.
Not go anywhere.
Let's get a beat. You know, beat.
We ready?
Boom.
Oh my god.
Now you do that, you do that.
Yeah, I got it. Wait. Don't do what I did. It's more here.
It's more there.
Oh, it's like, okay. I was like...
Kick her off. You got it though. You got it.
Yeah, you can just stand.
Oh.
Nailed it.
What do we do?
All right.
How did you put it on?
Oh, this is gonna be so good.
Hello time.
Get this commentator.
Alright, let's do this.
Ow.
I'll say, let's just say this is the line of scrimmage.
I'm so high. My head feels like a giant bowling ball. Like this shit's
All the
so
red
heavy.
jerseys.
On you. What are you
Alright.
doing, dude?
Ready?
You have a cadence? It goes red.
Can we talk about where's the
Guys, hold on, guys. Guys, get up in the zone.
He's wearing two.
Push it.
He's wearing two merchandise. 23, watch 23.
Hey, who knows?
Set. Oh my God. No. Why are you that No, that was good.
You want to be an Olympian?
I went to the Junior Olympics in 4th grade. Never forget it.
I need help.
Yeah.
I feel like
I want a visor. Yeah, visor me up.
Yes!
Let's go. I was the best.
I have a rudder.
Rudder, yeah!
Oh, come on. I will prove to you guys that I can sail.
So one of you will drive, one of you will do the jib.
What's the jib?
The jib's the front sail, and the mains, the skipper controls the mainsail, which is controlled right there, and the rudder. And then the crew sits right here and controls the front of the sail.
Varsity athlete.
So if the sail's on that side, you want to sit opposite of the sail. So right here.
Not me.
I'm sure that's intuitive once you realize that you're going to tip the damn.
In case
We're
you
going to
bring
get
it back.
stranded?
No, you're good. I think you'll figure it out. Just duck. And then you're gonna, hold the tiller with your back hand and grab the rope with your... Grab the main sheet.
This?
Yep, at the end.
This one. This
Yeah,
one.
start trimming.
Right?
Trim the sail in. Yeah!
Pull the jib in from the other side.
She doesn't know what that means.
Which way should my jibber go?
All right, let's catch some speed.
So pull it toward you. You're in you're in irons right now, which is like you're facing directly into the wind. So push it one way. Yeah, push it like that.
Hey guys, we're hosting the Nellies this year. I'm Sebastian.
I'm Caroline.
Statler Auditorium,
May 9th.
7 p.m.
Be there. Ate that up.
As we're like turning.
Hi, I'm Caroline Grove.
And I'm Sebastian Wolff. And we're in Ithaca, New York.
He's riding to the trash can.
This is the soccer field. This is Caroline Grove.
This is Sebastian Wolff.
We're hosting the Nellies.
May 9th.
7:30.
Statler Auditorium. Sorry, I'm in my soccer girl era.
I played soccer for like too long.
Don't get this.
I'm warming up. Get this.
No.
Oh! That wasn't bad.
Oh, it's video.
3, 2, 1.
Guys! I missed!
You can try.
Hey! Oh.
Yeah! Yeah!
It's not gonna be good for my playing time.
That's a good one. That's perfect.
Corner.
Oh!
These shoes are so bad. Oh. I'm Sebastian.
The Nellies. Very nice. 7:30, Statler Auditorium.
Woo! Yeah, be there.
Okay, so how was that? Blooper.
It was awesome. That was fun. You guys are gonna be athletic though, because you obviously know how to play lacrosse, and I'm like not very good.
Yeah, I think we should focus this on you more.
Oh yeah. Solid. And obviously, women's sticks are much different.
I was gonna say,
Woo!
What's up, guys? I'm here with Women's Lax.
Yeah.
We're having fun. They're shooting tennis balls at me. Let's go.
yes.
Wow! Let's go! Yo, what's up, guys? We're here on the field hockey field, and we're gonna play some field hockey. And I have no idea how this works, so we're gonna learn. So learn with me. Let's go.
Yeah, like little like.
How do you catch it? How do I make it not like jump up?
Like, don't angle it like up.
That was good.
Damn!
You can't use
You
the
do
back
like
end. There's only right stick. Right
Cross
sticks.
it over like that.
So what if you're a lefty?
You just gotta change, or you can go like that.
Gotta adapt.
That's terrible.
There you go.
Woo!
Natural.
Not bad at all. I could be a field hockey player.
Sweet.
Oh, please humble him.
Whoa! Like that?
Nice.
Like make it look fast.
I am not gonna be able to do that.
Go over the ball and then
Up
go
the
right.
right.
Yeah.
Whoa! That was a lot faster than I thought.
Yes. Nice.
That would have gone in for sure.
Really? It would not have hit the goalie at all. You guys ever go through the legs?
Yeah, like this. Ready?
Oh.
Like that.
I'm getting like highly embarrassed right now.
Yes.
I was better. Hi guys, I'm Sebastian Wolff, and I'm an expert field hockey player. That's right.
You want to shoot? I'll
Yeah.
pass. You shoot it for him.
Yeah, ready?
Nice.
Yeah! That,
Yeah.
that was the aerials are actually like cheat code. That's right. Let's go. I'm the best field hockey player around. I'm gonna walk on. I just got 5 hold.